Hello everyone. Today I would like to share the 2-minute rule with you all. So the rule says whatever you like to do it for 2 minutes a day. Whether you feel like you don't have time, you are in rush, whatever is the case, just do it for 2 minutes per day. Just like if you want to do anything and you are like no, I am having rush, sit for 2 minutes and do it, that's all, and then go for your usual daily routine. But do it every day, do it for 2 minutes, then it will improvise you for doing the same stuff again and again. When you start getting the interest and hang of it, you'll be able to do it without any difficulty, without any challenges. This will give you immense power in having completing the activity whatever you take in hand. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see what how much you are able to do it just for 2 minutes a day, and give your feedback to us, and see you soon for the next video. Thank you.